so cute. You can't stop hugging stuff, could you?
So cute.
So cute. Water, so we gotta bake a cake. You excited to bake a cake? Why you kiss the frosting? Good evening, guys. Oh, it's dark in here. I started the vlog off kind of late. This house is loud because of that AC. And then Randy's in the basement and his TV is so loud. So I hope you guys can hear me. But I started the vlog late, but I still wanted to get on here and vlog. I'm not gonna bake the cake. No cake. So yeah, it's like it is 6:18. And me and Skylar just took our showers. Okay. She wanna bake a cake? I hope we have everything it needs. Yeah, honey, I hope that we have everything it needs. Let's see. Water, vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs. I think I got that. Let's see if we got some eggs. How many eggs we got? They are large. We definitely have 3. We got eggs. We have oil. And we have water, so we gotta bake a cake. You excited to bake a cake? Why you kiss the frosting? It's so nice. Alright, we're gonna bake a cake, but I need to order me some food. I'm about to order some takeout because I'm so hungry. I don't even have a menu. I gotta look on my phone. Hold on, Skylar, let me order some Chinese. And I'm the only one eating it because Randy ate Jamaican food. And I didn't want that. I want Chinese, so. Guys, I be out of breath so much. I'm gonna look at this menu on my phone and call me in a takeout order. And then we're gonna bake a cake. Okay, so let me, oh, sorry, I'm so tired. I'm pushing myself because I really want some cake. So I'm gonna definitely bake a cake with her, but I'm gonna come back on after I order my Chinese. Alright? Okay, so I just realized I said I'm gonna look at the menu and order my food. But I always order the same thing or out of like 3 different things at the Chinese place. So I don't know why I thought I had to look at a menu. But anyway, I'm about to make me some water. We're gonna put the cake, bake the cake. Yep, take it out. Take it out. No, hold on, baby. Where did the paper go for this? Where did the paper go for this, honey? Where did that paper go? Guys, it's about to make me change my whole mind. I'm already hot. I'm hungry. I need to take my iron pills before I eat, an hour before I eat, or 2 to 3 hours after. I know I'll forget after, so I want to take it now because the food could take 45 minutes. I just have like no energy. And she's about to make me change my whole mind. What? You guys hear me getting ice. I just need some cold water. Skylar! You're not making a cake. Yeah, we're not even gonna make a cake tonight. I don't got time for this. Pick it up! Pick it up! She about to ruin her whole chances of eating chocolate tonight, honestly. It's ridiculous. No. Throw it away. Or put it in the sink. Let me drink this water, guys.
Good job. Good job.
ready to take your medicine? Skylar. All right. Oh, Skylar. All right, I'm gonna get the stuff ready to bake the cake, and I also have to give her her medicine because she's on antibiotics for 2 days because she had got bit by a mosquito, so she had like a little infection. So, today and tomorrow is actually her last day, so I'm gonna give her her medicine if I can find it. You ready to take your medicine? It's so cute. She does. The only way she'll take it is if she. The only way she'll take it is if she does it by herself. Let's see. Alright, here you go, Skylar. Here. Take your medicine. No. Put that back. Here, take your medicine. Here.
Ready?
You ready? Go. Go.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Good job. Okay. No more. You guys are probably wondering why I put it in a bowl first. It's because it's running out. So, obviously, because tomorrow's the last dose. Pick that up, baby. So, I have to like put it in there to squeeze because from the bottle I can't get all I need. So, that's that. Give me that. Thank you. Alright, so I'm going to get the stuff ready for the cake, preheat the oven, and I'm going to come back on in a few. Alright guys, we got our setup. We got our greased pans right here with flour. That's probably too much flour, but it's going to be okay. Then we got our eggs, oil, water, cake mix, bowl and spoon. And what are those? What are those? These. What's this?
It's spring egg.
Egg. Okay. All right. I wish I had my mixer, but when we moved, I don't know if I threw it away or it got lost, so I'm doing a lot of hand mixing. But that's okay, because I got my little helper, right?
Yeah.
You gonna help mommy? All right. Shall we get started? All right. Now pour this in here. Here, put it. Come on. Good job. All right. Now get the water.
You ready?
Okay.
Here I go.
Hold on. Wait. Oh, you're outside?
Give me.
Okay, thank you.
Give me, mommy.
Okay, pour the water. Yay! Hold on, let's go get our food. Come on.
Let's go water food.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go your food. Sit down.
As soon as we get started, the Chinese food came. But we're gonna get back to it.
Get up.
Okay, come on.
Mom.
Okay. Now get the oil. Here, pour this one. Careful, careful, careful. Wait, let mommy help you. Okay, now pour it. Yay! Oops.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So while Skylar's mixing that, I want to show you my secret ingredient that makes everything I bake so moist. You won't even believe it, but you just gotta put a little bit, and it's mayo. So when I'm baking brownies or anything, I always squirt a little bit, and it makes it moist. Okay. Oh, put it back, put it in there. Wait, I just usually make like that much, not too much. For brownies, let's see.
No, it's not.
For brownies, I put a little more mayo because it tend to be dry to me. But I probably need it for. I haven't baked the cake in a while, so I probably need more mayo for the cake too. But I'ma just leave it there because supposedly this is supposed to be a moist cake. Go ahead, Skylar. Keep stirring. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Where are you? Mommy gonna drink some water.
How do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you?
How do you? Olive brown, when see you.
Oh, you just made that up. Let me help you so we can put it in the oven.
Mommy finger, what's she doing? It's mommy. Where's my shoe?
Hold the bowl. Hold it right here. Hold it. So mommy could keep mixing.
It's my cup.
Try it. It's good? It's good? Okay. Now mommy keep mixing. Alright guys, we're going to try to get the bumps out the best way we can. Then I'm going to come back on and show you what I got from the Chinese place and show this going into the oven, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here's one. Here's two. They're about to go right into and I'm going to show you what I got from the Chinese place. Although I just took those iron pills, so I can't eat yet, but I think I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. So if it will focus, it's just some vegetable lo mein and chicken wings. So I'm about to eat that and see if I can get Skylar to eat that. Eat some with me. Then I'm going to clean the dishes. Hopefully the cake will be done. And I'll be back on in a few. Alright guys. Whew. I don't feel like it's bright enough in here. But I just ate my food. Now I'm about to clean the dishes. Hopefully Skylar helps me. but I gotta unload the dishwasher and load it up. So the cake, oh, countdown, 3, 2, yes. Let's see. Ooh, yummy. Let's see. Pretty sure they are done. I'm just gonna do like the fork test. Yes. Perfect. Nothing on the fork. Good. Bubbash, we gotta let the cake cool off, okay? Yes, Mama. No, Mama. No, Mama.
I'll figure it out.
Ha ha ha. You gonna help me? Come on, I need your help. Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Now it's going to it. Wow!
Here.
Ah!
Oh no, kill it. Kill it. All right, come on, continue. Come on.
So cute.
So cute. You can't stop hugging stuff, could you?
So cute.
So cute. Alright guys, we ate. I cleaned the kitchen a little, but I'm gonna have to clean again after these cake pans. Skylar's downstairs with her dad, so I'm about to spread the frosting real quick because I don't think she really cares to do this part, and it'll be a big mess. She just wants to taste it. So let's put this frosting on, then we'll have some cake.
Keep on walking straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies, kill the butterflies. I just wanna make things right. Walk, keep us on the road, try to find what we had before. Can this spark ignite or is it gone? Won't you stop? Don't you
Alright guys, I have my slice and Skylar has her slice. Is it yummy? Uh-oh, she took it apart. She's like, I got 2 cakes.
1, 2, 3. Good job.
Here's my slice. Let's see.
The heart? Look them up.
It's okay, I'll clean it. It's so moist. That mayo, I'm telling you. Skylar gonna need another bath. I don't know why I gave her a bath before the cake, right? Do this. Okay, do this. Thumbs up.
Flies. That's some more water.
Guys, this is so good. I have ice cream, but I don't want to have too much sweets before bed for either of us because it's like it's after 8 o'clock. It's 8:20, so we'll just stick with the ice cream. And since it's a 2-layer cake, that's more than enough sweets. We both gonna need a bath after there's all this mess. I'm actually going to end the vlog here because the only thing I'm going to do is wash those 2 pans, make her bottle for the night, which is a sippy cup of milk, and lay her down. She didn't take a nap today.
Please share.
Please.
Okay.
And I probably have to put her back in the tub. I don't know. It depends on how sticky she is. Oh, I got Boston. I feel like feel it on the side of my face. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I don't think, like I said, left that we're gonna do is tidy up the kitchen and go upstairs and head to bed. I have some editing to do, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick nighttime vlog. It wasn't a routine. It was just a starting a vlog late.
My cake. My cake.
You have cake, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.